mahigit 200 billion rather for the years 2024 and 2025. So yun yung mawawalang revenue ng gobyerno. So dahil mawawalan tayo ng ganun kalaking halaga, hindi rin mapupunduhan yung ibang proyekto ng gobyerno. For sure, there will be foregone revenues. In 2024, base sa na-report ng customs, mahigit 200 billion at saka yung sa 2025, ganun din yung nakukolektang excise tax from fuel. Kasi ang mangyayari niyan, yung papasok pa lang, yung i-import pa lang or yung lalabas pa lang ng production, yun yung magiging exempt dun sa excise tax. Yung mga dumating na may bayad, hindi agad-agad hindi kasama dun sa magiging exempt kasi bayad na yun. They have to pass it on to consumers. On the part of the BIR, ang rule kasi ng BIR is to make sure tax treatment is correct and not being abused.